The business letter is important because it's an external document that enables companies and individuals to communicate with their customers and clients and external stakeholders such as suppliers and the different agencies that the company needs to communicate with. The business letter is important because it forms a permanent record, especially if it has some legal implications. Once it is signed, it's a permanent record. And the other thing, the business letter in the printed form maintains confidentiality. So, unlike the digital letter, the printed letter is more confidential because you would have to have the printed copy in your hand to actually see the letter. It also conveys formality. So if you get an acceptance letter from a university, it gives you more a special feeling than if the same letter was emailed to you, right? The business letter is mainly used for communicating with external persons or agencies or companies which are external to the company.